we have with us Ahona, who's played the role of. I'm sorry.
Bhebli.
Okay, Bhebli in the new movie Durbin. So Ahona has, I mean, she looks fantastic on screen. So we would like to know from Ahona, pleasure, my dear. We would like to know from you your entire experience of working in this movie. How, I mean, did you enjoy it working in a movie as such?
Yes, I enjoyed very much. Actually, it was Shubhrata uncle called me, and we did grooming for 1 month, like the 15 days, and then we went to the shooting. There were many places like Mitrobari and Shamazar, and we take the shots and we played football.
Okay.
Especially, first we played football, then we took the shots.
Okay.
And after the shots, we would change our dresses and we shoot again, and we go and get sleep. And about my studies,
So Ahona, which school are you from?
I'm from Auxilium Convent School.
Auxilium Convent. Okay, great. So now studies and a movie, full-fledged movie. How did you manage?
It's very tough to manage, but still I have to do because I love acting as well as studies.
So you aspire to be an actress when you grow up?
No, not future like that plans, but
Okay.
still whatever I'm doing in the childhood, it's
You enjoy this particular role. So haven't you become a star at school now that your friends know that you're
yes,
still in a movie?
Yes, I'm in class 5 now.
Okay.
So in class 5 everybody knows that
Knows, yeah.
I'm doing this Durbin film,
Uh-huh.
and everybody tell me when your film will release, I have to see your film, you please tell me what character you're playing and where it is coming. So it's
So were your teachers alright with the idea when you said that you're planning to, work in a movie?
Yes,
Didn't they object?
Yes, they objected.
They did?
They
Okay.
first objected because they are very strict
Yeah.
on this. But after that, they became.
They mellowed down,
yes.
yeah? They saw that
Yes.
it's an interesting
but
project.
Still now also there is some problems. But we have to.
Yeah. So you are totally determined that you will manage studies and movies as well.
Yes.
Yeah. So you plan to work in more movies, or you want to stop with Durbin only?
No, not stop and Durbin. However, calls will come to me. I will.
You will. So have you already got any calls after Durbin?
No.
Not yet.
No.
You're still hoping and waiting, yeah?
Let the premiere come then.
Wonderful. So, Ahona, apart from movies and studies, definitely, what else do you do? What extracurricular activities are you?
I do dancing very much.
Okay. What
And,
form of dance do you learn?
I learn Western dance as
Okay.
well as classical dances.
Classical. What form? Any?
Bharatanatyam.
Bharatanatyam. Okay.
And in Western dance, Bollywood style.
Okay. Okay.
And I have done one reality show also in class 2.
Okay. Which reality show?
Twinkle Twinkle Dancing Star.
Okay.
It was in Mumbai, Bangla,
Okay.
and first there I did, and then I did one anchoring in Singing Star,
Okay.
and there was a Shubhankar uncle,
Okay.
actually, director, and I did there. After that, this.
Wonderful. That's fantastic. So, Ahona, we have your mom with us today. So, ma'am, I would like to know from you, as a parent, what kind of mentoring have you been doing to bring your child to this platform?
I encourage my child a lot, but still the acting and the educational side is too difficult to manage. But she likes acting too much. I think acting is just her passion also, and I want to support. I spend lots of time, maximum time with my daughter and encourage her.
Okay, so ma'am, are you a homemaker or you are a
Yes, I'm
professional?
totally a homemaker.
You're a homemaker, so you're totally focusing on your daughter. So basically, you want to help her or support her in whatever she wants to do, and not keep that taboo of only studies.
No.
So do you feel that nowadays, children grow up well when given an exposure to such things, or do you feel that movies are bad?
No, I don't think so that movies are bad, but at the same time, I think comfortable in Bengali. Can I
Yeah,
say?
sure, please.
So আমি এটা মনে করি যে বাচ্চাদের যেটা নিজেদের ইচ্ছে থেকে করে, যেটা তারা পছন্দ করে করতে, পড়াশোনার সঙ্গে সঙ্গে সেটা করার জন্য তাদেরকে কিছুটা ছুট দেওয়া।
Right. রাইট। সো ছুট দেওয়ার সাথে সাথে আর কি তুমি করেছো ওকে এনকারেজ করার জন্য? গ্রুমিং নিজে কিছু ওকে করেছো নিজের থেকে?
অ্যাকচুয়ালি অ্যাক্টিংটা ওকে নিজের থেকে ভালোবাসে, তো গ্রুমিং বলতে সেভাবে আমি ওকে নিজের থেকে কিছু শেখাইনি, বা আমার মনে হয় না শিখিয়ে কিছু হয়। অ্যাক্টিংটা সম্পূর্ণ ওর ভেতর থেকে আসে, কিছু টেকনিক্যাল দিক থাকে সেগুলো শেখানো যায়, কিন্তু অ্যাক্টিং ওর ভেতর থেকেই আসে, ও ভালোবাসে। আগামী দিনে আমি আশা করবো আর ভালো কাজ করবো।
Wonderful. So Ahona, all the best for your movie. You are looking fantastic and you're a sweetheart. Thank you so much. Hi Shogoto, welcome to sholoanabangaliana.com. So Shogoto, this is your first venture in a full-fledged movie. My first question to you is, why a children's film?
Children's film because we don't see much children films in today's today's Bengali film or even in Hindi films also. We don't often see children movie. That's why we decided to make a children movie.
Okay. Well, ideally a director would like to start with a bang, like some very big stars and all. You didn't have that kind of a want to catapult to that position right away.
I had. It'd be lying if I said I don't have. I had that kind of feeling, but this concept is very unique, and somehow while going through the concept, when Shubroto narrated the concept, we thought it would be foolish to keep this concept in a box and try some other concept. So we followed this concept, and here we are with Durbin.
Wonderful. So your next project, Shobhita, anything already
Next
in the pipeline?
project, yeah, in the pipeline. Not right now. It will be around March, from March to September.
So will that be with big stars or again something hatke?
Hopefully.
Okay. That's still in the planning phase. Wonderful. Thank you so much and all the best for the movie.